In 2024, Google unveiled a user-friendly guide to enhance AI prompting, specifically tailored for its Gemini AI in Google Workspace. This guide is designed to assist users in getting the most out of Gemini. It provides step-by-step instructions and strategies for creating clear and effective prompts. The guide is concise and clear, with a length of over 40 pages, and provides valuable insights that can be applied to different roles and industries. What is the Gemini Prompting Guide? The Gemini Prompting Guide is a valuable resource that aims to provide Google Workspace users with the necessary knowledge to effectively utilize Gemini. It explores the realm of large language model prompting, providing guidance on crafting instructions that Gemini can easily comprehend and carry out. The guide provides a clear and straightforward method for creating prompts for different tasks, including generating creative content and automating repetitive actions. Key components of effective prompts. 1. Understanding AI models. The guide starts by providing a clear and concise explanation of how AI models, specifically large language models or LLMs, work. It clarifies that LLMs, like GPT-4, are constructed using a neural network structure called transformers. This architecture enables the model to process and generate text that resembles human language by comprehending the context and meaning of words through attention mechanisms. The training process entails exposing the model to a wide range of textual data from various sources, allowing it to grasp patterns, relationships, and subtleties in language. The model undergoes thorough training to develop a comprehensive grasp of syntax, grammar, and even a certain level of world knowledge. It utilizes this knowledge to produce coherent and contextually suitable responses. In addition, the guide explores the inner workings of LLM's language understanding abilities. This article discusses how these models utilize a technique known as self-attention to determine the relative importance of words in a sentence. This enables the model to grasp the significance and context of words in a straightforward manner, resulting in more precise and pertinent results. In addition, the guide covers the concept of fine-tuning, which involves training pre-trained models on specific datasets to improve their performance in specific domains or tasks. It is important for users to have a clear understanding of these architectural and operational details. This understanding will help users create prompts that work well with the model's strengths and minimize its limitations. By doing so, users can maximize the effectiveness of their AI interactions. 2. Types of prompts. Google classifies prompts into various types, each with its own purpose and intended to elicit specific responses from AI models. Direct prompts are clear and concise questions or commands that aim to elicit specific answers. Contextual prompts offer relevant information to help the AI generate a more precise response. Conversational prompts are utilized to encourage the AI to participate in a dialogue, enabling more dynamic and intricate interactions that delve into topics with greater depth. Instructional prompts entail providing the AI with clear and concise step-by-step instructions to accomplish a desired outcome or complete a specific task. Users can customize their interactions with AI models by familiarizing themselves with different prompt types. This allows them to effectively meet their specific goals and requirements. 3. Crafting effective prompts. Creating prompts that are clear and easy to comprehend requires careful thought and attention to detail. First and foremost, it is important to ensure that prompts are clear and easy to understand so that the AI can accurately interpret the desired input. Clarity is also important, as prompts should give clear instructions or information to guide the AI's response effectively. In addition, it is important for prompts to be relevant to the task and provide any necessary context or background information to help the AI generate appropriate outputs. Ensuring a balance between flexibility and clarity is crucial. This allows for diverse and imaginative responses while still directing the AI towards the intended result. By creating prompts that are clear and easy to understand, users can enhance their interactions with AI models and obtain more precise and valuable outcomes. 4. Advanced prompting techniques. Efficient prompting techniques involve various strategies to enhance interactions with AI models for better performance and flexibility. Chaining is a technique that involves sequencing multiple prompts to guide the AI through a series of steps or tasks. This allows for complex interactions and workflows to be easily achieved. Advanced prompting methods like zero-shot and few-shot learning techniques enable the AI to perform tasks with minimal or no explicit training examples. It leverages its general knowledge and understanding of language to extrapolate solutions. Prompt engineering is a straightforward approach that focuses on designing and optimizing prompts that get desired responses or behaviors from the AI. This is done through iterative experimentation and refinement. Users can fully utilize AI models and customize their interactions for various applications and goals more effectively and efficiently using these advanced techniques. 5. Common pitfalls and solutions. There are some common mistakes that people make when using AI prompting, which can make interactions less effective and lead to less than ideal results. One potential issue is bias, where prompts unintentionally introduce or reinforce biases in the AI's responses, which can perpetuate societal inequalities or inaccuracies. One way to address bias is by thoroughly examining prompts to ensure they are free from biases or stereotypes. Another approach is to diversify training data to include a broader range of perspectives and experiences. Additionally, implementing fairness and bias detection mechanisms can help identify and rectify any biased outputs. One common mistake to avoid is using ambiguous prompts that can lead to unclear or irrelevant responses from the AI. To address this challenge, users can create prompts that are clear, specific, and easy to understand. By providing enough context and guidance, users can help the AI accurately comprehend the desired task or information. Incorporating feedback loops and validation processes can enhance the quality of interactions with AI models by identifying and refining ambiguous prompts over time. In addition, overfitting is a common problem, where prompts are too focused on specific tasks or datasets, which restricts the AI's ability to apply its knowledge to new situations. To tackle overfitting, it's important to find a middle ground between being too specific and too general in prompts. This means avoiding language or constraints that could limit the AI's flexibility. Using methods like data augmentation, where prompts are varied or diversified to expose the AI to a wider range of inputs, can help reduce overfitting and improve the model's strength. Furthermore, it is important to regularly monitor and evaluate prompt performance in various contexts and datasets. This will help identify and correct instances of overfitting, ensuring that prompts continue to be effective and adaptable in different settings. By being aware of and addressing these common mistakes, users can improve their prompting strategies and make AI interactions more reliable and useful. Google offers some helpful suggestions for improving your collaboration with Gemini AI. Break it up. Consider breaking related tasks into separate prompts when using Gemini for Workspace. This method enables better communication and more targeted responses, ultimately enhancing efficiency and effectiveness. Give constraints. For more accurate results, make sure to include specific details in your prompts. This could include things like setting character count limits or specifying the desired number of options to be generated. Having clear constraints in place helps to guide Gemini towards the desired outcome, making the process more streamlined and reducing any potential ambiguity. Assign a role. Encourage creativity by giving Gemini a specific role. Starting prompts with phrases like, "You are the head of a creative department for a leading advertising agency," can give context and encourage creative responses that are customized to specific situations. Ask for feedback. Have a conversation with Gemini on gemini.google.com to give all the necessary project information and clearly express what you want to achieve. Prompt Gemini to ask any questions they may have in order to ensure the best output. This approach encourages better communication and helps everyone agree on project goals. Consider tone. Customize prompts to align with the target audience and preferred style of the content. Please let us know the tone you would like Gemini to use when responding to your audience. This will help us provide appropriate and effective responses. Say it another way. Make adjustments to prompts if the initial results are not meeting expectations or if there's room for improvement. Embrace a straightforward process of reviewing and improving to optimize the quality of prompts and enhance the overall output generated by Gemini. This approach emphasizes the importance of making ongoing improvements and achieving better results as time goes on. The AI Prompting Guide 2024 by Google is a valuable resource for those seeking to utilize AI effectively. This guide provides a comprehensive exploration of prompting, covering its principles, techniques, and applications. It aims to empower users with the necessary knowledge and tools to enhance their interactions with AI models. As AI continues to progress, becoming skilled in prompting will be crucial for unlocking its complete capabilities. In addition, Google's AI Prompting Guide 2024 demonstrates the company's dedication to advancing artificial intelligence and encouraging responsible ethical practices in the field. The guide provides valuable insights and strategies that will shape the future of human-AI interactions, drive innovation, and have a positive impact on society as technology and AI continue to evolve.